Why free-range chicken? The three main features are easy installation, lower cost than chicken cage, simple operation. Feed is automatically and evenly distributed to each feed pan. When the feed level in the pans reaches the preset height, the system stops automatically and restarts when feed is depleted. Each feed pan, 50 to 70 chickens. Feed line length, 30 to 120 meters. Applicable age, from brooding to market age. Drive type, auger, chain-driven. Drinking system is automatic. We are manufacturer of poultry farm equipment. Contact me to get its price list and purchase guide.